Good morning, OPOS. Welcome to one more edition of C4P10, the street food series where we'll do street food for 4 people in less than 10 minutes. Today we'll do the Mumbai Bhel Poori. We start the stopwatch, and if your bhel is not crispy enough, take a pack of bhel. You can just roast it on medium flame till it becomes crispy. And chop up the potatoes. You can peel it if you like or use it unpeeled. I'm going to peel it now. Peeling is completely optional. Unpeeled potatoes are actually more nutritious. Chop it into small bits so that they cook in 2 to 3 whistles. We'll complete the loading in under 5 minutes. Cooking should take another 5 minutes or so. Quarter cup of water. Add the potatoes. This is roughly 1.5 cups of potatoes. Add a bit of chili powder. Bit of salt. Place a pip to make the imli chutney. Add some dates and some tamarind paste. You can also add tamarind itself, de-seeded tamarind. Add some garam masala, some cumin powder, bit of chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, and a bit of ginger powder. We'll blend all this into a nice chutney later. And of course some salt. That's imli chutney ma. Close this. 3 chutney vedum bhel puri ki 3 mein pannuvom. Cook this on high. In the meantime, let me get the other chutneys ready. Move this aside and get the other chutneys. Do some green chutney. Let me just move this to one side. Some coriander leaves. A few mint leaves. And this is roasted chana dal. 3 green chilies, a bit of oil to emulsify everything and give us a nice creamy chutney, and a bit of water. Some salt. Blend it all together. That will be chutney number 1. I'm going to dilute it a bit. Don't blend it too long, as the cilantro will lose its freshness. We wash this. No. இதெல்லாம் நான் தான் பண்ணோம். நீங்களா ரெண்டு வேலை பண்ணக்கூடாது. க்ளீன் பண்ணுற முதற்கொண்டு ஒரு ஆள் தான் பண்ணணும். அதுதான் ப்ரோக்ராம். 10 பேரை வச்சுன்னு என்னது ஒன்றும் இது இல்லையே. So we'll do the red chutney now. Add a few garlic cloves, 6 to 8 garlic cloves. The same number of red chilies. You can use Kashmiri chilies if you want a nice color. Bit of salt and some oil to emulsify this. Adding around a tablespoon of oil and of course a bit of water. So that will be our garlic chutney. That is done too. Dilute it a bit. Keep this aside. Start chopping the onions and tomatoes. And let this go for around 4 whistles. Switch off, let the pressure settle for a while till we get this ready. Some tomato. चटनी जार वेणुमा இன்னொரு சட்னி இருக்கா இம்லி சட்னி இம்லி சட்னி Once the chopping is done, it is just a question of mixing and matching. Add this to the puffed rice. That's become nice and crispy now. நாலு பேர் சாப்பிடலாமா நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும் some green chilies, some crushed pooris, a bit of chopped cilantro, some save. And it's time to open this. Bit of lemon juice. Let me get this chutney blended too. that will be our imli chutney. There you go. Now let me just move this here. Mix in the boiled potatoes. Mix in some green chutney. Mix in some garlic chutney. And some imli chutney. Nama. And it's taken us exactly 11 minutes. Mix it all up. See how crispy the bhel is. Mix it all up. And your lovely bhel puri is ready. 1 minute. I'm going to put this all into a big tray. Just mix it nicely. How do you make paka? Daily one street food da ungalku. And serve it immediately. You can also add in a bit of pickle oil if you like. என்னமா விரதமா இன்னைக்கு நீங்க? There you go. Looks gorgeous, no? Spice it up the way you like. Add more chutneys, add more stuff. It's completely up to you. That is a C4P10 Bhel Puri to feed 4 people in less than 10 minutes from scratch. Try this out and please post your validations.